Hey, so if you're doing business on the internet, maybe you're selling physical products or you're selling your own services or you're offering training and coaching or consulting or you're selling programs and actual training on the internet, I have a class that's perfect for you. And inside, you're gonna learn the 4 simple steps that you could be implementing right now in your business via your blog to sell more of your services, your products, and your programs. And it's the exact same framework that I've used to help scale my business via content marketing and blogging to multiple 6 figures. See, over the past 7 years, I've worked with hundreds of entrepreneurs, and I currently coach and mentor over 300 online business owners inside of our membership, the Business Lounge. And one of the biggest challenges I see online entrepreneurs have when it comes to marketing and sharing their gifts with the world is not really knowing how to leverage blogging and content marketing to get more eyeballs on their stuff, to increase their authority and position themselves as influencers on the internet. And listen, I get it. Blogging and content marketing are not the latest hacks and the latest ninja strategies, but they're extremely important to building and growing and scaling a profitable online business. And that's why I want you to join this free masterclass. It's going to show you the 4 simple steps that you could be implementing right now, that you can be integrating into your existing workflow to get more out of your blog content, out of your content marketing. Whether you have a blog that's existing and you just want to take it to the next level, or you haven't even really thought about blogging, or maybe it scares you a little bit, I'm going to be covering all of that inside this new masterclass. Plus, you'll even see insights and tips and tons of examples of how other creators are leveraging blogging and content marketing in completely different niches, from e-commerce stores who are selling physical products to people who are selling, services, to online courses and training and coaching and consulting. And I can't wait to dive right in with you and share with you the behind the scenes of how I run my multi-6-figure blog. So register for the class. It's absolutely free. It's going to be full of really fun, but also practical tips, hacks, and advice that you can implement immediately to start growing your blog and your business. So do it right now while it's fresh in your mind, and I will see you inside.